Hello my friends, today I'm in a little hamlet called Ludsdown and at least it's not raining like it was yesterday. You alright? Ooh, look at this, lovely countryside. So, there's no Dave today unfortunately. He's got his own agenda today, but Brad will be turning up in about an hour's time and then we're going to do some drone flying. I bought my...
Which way are you going?
Sheep are alright, they won't hurt you.
No, I know that.
Well, we've got to go through there if we're going to climb the Bassett's Hill.
What, through here?
No. You won't go in there anyway, there's cows in there. So anyway, we've got to go through here.
No.
They'll be alright. They can't get off the lead. How'd you undo the... Oh, padlocked.
That's what I'm saying to you. You
Uh,
can't get the other side either.
that's weird. That's it. Right, we've had our little walk, me and my dad, for an hour. We walked up to Bassett's Bench, which is a hill behind me. Brad and his dad has just turned up. Never met his dad, Bob, before. We're just walking up this hill, where we did yesterday in the torrential rain. And then when we get to the top, we're going to do some drone flying. I bought my big drone today. You'll hear me puffing and panting in a minute. How are we doing? Up the hill of doom. Oh, blimey. Yeah, so did this yesterday in the rain. My dad's having a little breather by the looks of it. You all right, Dad? Oh, I've actually been passed quite a few times by joggers up here and mountain bikers, and they just breeze up here like it's nothing. Oh dear. But they've put 2 benches at the top for obvious reasons, so you can recover if you're really knackered. God blimey, I'm almost running up it. Whew, is my microphone going? Yes. Right, I'm going to get up here, set this up, and do a little bit of drone flying. Whew. You all right, Dad? That weren't too bad today. That other hill what we walked up was worse, wasn't it? Blimey.
Don't like leaving there in case I think the
Right. I don't know if it's... Is there enough room to take off there, do you reckon? Have a look.
Take off.
Right, watch out. I hope it don't hit the bench. Oh.
Point updated.
Oh, Jesus. I've only just got it back.